Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Sparks Concrete Coatings. They're looking for a Sparks Coating lead scheduler, work from home. This pays from $2,000 to $2,600 a month. Sparks Coating is looking to hire a secretary/scheduler. This person's main responsibility includes scheduling all inbound leads as well as following up with old leads. They're responsible for managing the CRM and directing employees to respond to certain clients if their attention is required. We want this position to be flexible. It is work from home, and all we ask is to be available during the day to respond to leads right away. We're not strict on what else you do during this time as long as that is being done. This job type is part-time, pays $2,000 to $2,600 per month. The schedule is 8-hour shifts, and it is fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular role, I'll put the link right in the description down below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified and find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.